Hi, Annabelle here, Certified Corporate Wellness Specialist and founder of Workvie, and welcome to our channel where we talk a lot of things about work wellness. In this particular video, what I'm going to be talking about is hand pain and what you can do about hand pain, in particular hand massaging. So a lot of you may not know, but I started the product Workvie, the brand, to help my mom. She had worked as a hairdresser for many years, and when she finished, she couldn't open or close her hand and she couldn't extend her arm, so her elbow was in a lot of pain, and that's how the brand was developed. She didn't want to take any painkillers, and I completely understood her for wanting to make that decision. So we looked for the best option and we ended up designing this cream, which is Workvie. But all that is to say that I'm very familiar with hand pain and everything that she went through, so hopefully you too will find this video very helpful if you're suffering from hand pain. And everybody's suffering from hand pain. In fact, there was a very famous episode from Kim Kardashian, Love or Hate the Kardashians. That's not what we're talking about here, but they do work very hard and they're on their phone quite a bit, and that's actually how Kim started to develop carpal tunnel syndrome. And what I want to talk about is this hand massager right here, and how it works. So one of the kits that we have for Workvie is actually comes in a really nice giftable box, and it includes our cream, which is the cream right here. It's Work Pain Relief Therapy Cream, and the reason why it's called Work Pain Cream is because my mom got hand pain from working really hard, and I know a lot of people out there are also suffering from pain from being very hardworking as well. And so in the set, you get the cream and the finger massager. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you take the cream, you apply it to your hands where you're feeling a lot of the pain. The cream has a mild eucalyptus scent that's actually vanishing. And so what you want to do is you want to take the finger massager after you apply the cream and you massage it in, and you want to put your finger between the rollers as such. And what that does is that it provides a deep massage. The harder you squeeze on this side, the better that it feels on your fingers. Now, for some of you, you may have more soreness, and so you want to take it easy, and over time, you want to apply more pressure so that you can start getting some relief in your hands. The other thing that it's great for is the area between your thumb and your forefinger. And so what you can do is you can actually slide that area in there to get relief. This is actually a very well-known pressure point for people who suffer from migraine pain. This can help to relieve some of that as well. The other neat thing about this finger massager is that it has a magnetic roller on the other side, and you can use that magnetic roller to massage the neck area. You can also use it to massage the wrist area. And so this actually makes for a great little gift for anyone that's really hardworking in your life. Think about the people maybe in your office, people that you meet with all the time, maybe somebody in your family is doing a lot of gardening and pulling out weeds. This could be a great gift for them. It's the Hand Pain Relief set from Workvie that has the cream. It comes in a 2-ounce and also a 4-ounce version with the finger massager, and it all comes nicely gift wrapped for you in this little box, ready to gift, and so that you can give somebody a really nice gift that they'll use and they'll greatly appreciate it. So if you are having hand pain, something to consider is the finger massager with Workvie Pain Relief Cream for them to try it out. If you would like to learn more about our products, you can always visit our website, workvie.com, or shop them on amazon.com, and you can check out all the great reviews that people have left there, where we've really been helping people out that are suffering from hand pain. I thank you so much, and subscribe to our channel if you want to know more things about work wellness. See you soon.